What's up, guys? So the plan for today is to work on some dual caliper and hydro stuff. Actually, Josh is here today, so he's going to be welding some stuff for his 240. Evan might be coming later. Ted's coming later. It's going to be a good time. So I'm going to get ready and get the wheels off and start ripping into the brakes. And I'm going to try some funky stuff with the calipers. We'll see how it goes. What are you doing?
I am trying to make a auto cross member fit on a manual transmission.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Josh actually just started up a YouTube channel where he's documenting his drift vert S13 build. So I'll link that down below, but he's going to be doing some work on his intake manifold and his transmission cross member because he just did a manual swap. It was automatic. And he's going to make it fit. Yeah, but he'll have a whole video on that on his channel too. So go check that out. Jesus, this thing is so dead. I just looked at it. This next thing is not one volt, it's a bitch. Tire. Dear God! Jesus. Oh my God. So the last, I knew you were gonna do that. Like I knew it. The last time, I think, was it the last time you were in a video? No, because you were in the, put in the Z engine.
Yeah.
One of the other videos Josh was in, we tried making the Villains dual caliper bracket work on the driver's side with one of the extra rear calipers I had. But the problem is I only have one more rear caliper, and before I go order another one for this side, I'm actually going to try and make a front caliper work because I have two front calipers and it would be really cool to have 4-piston hydraulic handbrake. So if I can even make this remotely work, I'm gonna go for it. And the way that this bracket works, because it has a kind of a flexibility with this mounter, this like mounting bracket, I think it might be possible. So I'm gonna wing it and see what happens. I know the rotor's much smaller, so I know it's not gonna grab all of the height of the pad, but if it, you know, even if it gets most of it, it'll still work really well. So we'll see what happens. It's only for a hydro. Never mind. Yeah, I didn't realize the rotor was that much bigger on the front. I was thinking I might be able to shorten this linkage here to pull this in, but there isn't even room for the knuckle in the back to like clear that. I don't know. Like, I could, the problem is the bottom, this would have to stay where it is. I could probably move this top in, but then it would just be this like ridiculous angle and it's not worth it at all. So I'm gonna try to fix the other rear I have and just keep these as spares because it's definitely not worth it. So now just the first thing I'm gonna try to do is get both the calipers, or at least one of them, to fit. I know I have to do a little clearancing on this upright here, but I just wanna make it fit and then I can try to unseize this other one that I have. If not, I gotta get a new, I think this is the left one. Yeah, a new left rear caliper. That's how this went on, wasn't it? Like this got bolted on here. Like this long ass screw. Pretty sure. hell? Oh, it's big boy. Oh, baby. He didn't even care. Oh my god. It literally just rips through bolts. Yeah, so I think I have this right.
Oh, you put bracket right?
Yeah, but I think we figured this out before. We have to clearance upright.
Yeah.
Because the hole is just so close to not lining up.
That's what the access here is.
And that looks right. I mean, it's like, yeah, it's like it almost is centered. It's like, it's almost lined up with the rotor. The problem is this bracket, like the bolt head contacts this upright, so I just have to clearance it a bit. Because down here, you can see this little bracket thing here, how it lines up. It's right over here. There it is. So you can see the caliper right there, and you can see where it needs to line up with. And the caliper wants to sit a little away. It's so close. Unless I have this backwards. Let me try flipping it. Maybe it's backwards. So I think I can actually salvage the other brake caliper, so I'm just going to clean them up a bit and slap some purple paint on it. In the meantime, it might take a little bit to dry, so I'm going to lower the car back down and I'm going to work on actually making a bracket for the handbrake. So I've decided just to rip the factory handbrake out because it's just in the way and it's going to make fabbing up the thing for the hydraulic handbrake so much easier, so I'm going to pull that out real quick. Oh shit. Times I paint, I've learned patience. These things are running like crazy. Good thing they're just brake calipers. Oh, jeez. Josh's transmission mount looks so good for being really quickly welded.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god.
Did he tell you about this? He got stuck in. Holy shit.
What was that?
Why do you have a empty cup of ice cream?
It was cookie dough.
Why do you have an empty cup of cookies?
Because I ate it in the car, shamelessly.
Shift knob.
Get that off.
No. Get the fuck out of here.
You're disgusting.
You did it. You're the one that leaves an empty thing of cookie dough
Yeah,
in your
because
car.
I fucking ate it while driving.
So Evan, how are you liking the 1J swap in your Corolla?
Super fast.
You got stuck in like 2 feet of ice.
Are you like going to Burger King, you fucking liar?
Pull!
Like Grimace. Well, Bubba talks about shrimp.
Yeah, I was trying to do a Bubba impression.
Shrimp Creole, fried shrimp, stewed shrimp,
Shrimp scampi.
shrimp gumbo,
Shrimp.
grilled shrimp, steamed shrimp, shrimp, plain shrimp.
I can't put any of this in because Brooke doesn't want to be in the videos.
No,
Why not?
She doesn't.
Can your voice be in it?
No.
no, I don't like photographic evidence that I exist.
That's
But it's a video.
Yeah, stupid.
Video graphic.
Whatever.
The coconut shrimp.
There we go. It's on. All set. Clearance and purple.
Say about that.
Caliper, bro!
After 9 hours.
Evan, can you shut your form out for 5 minutes? Hey, Mr. Hoshua, do you want to hand me over a 14 mil over there? Wrench, please. Yep. No, it's not. Is his brother's name Clank? Josh, this just cut through this so fast. It took not even a second to go farther than I did before. Look at this. Wah! Right through it immediately. That's it, done. Immediate. Hey Josh, you want to Tom Brady me that roll of shop towels?
Yeah, buddy. But then shit comes up. I'm actually really happy that payment ended up coming out of my bank account. No! Because although it makes it difficult for me right now.
I never had possession. I never established myself as a runner. Have I mentioned I'm so proud that Josh started his own YouTube channel?
I'm on the YouTube.
I know. I know.
Hey, Tim.
Hey buddy. Hey buddy. I'm so
I'm on the YouTube.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah,
I'm so proud of you.
That's good. My car is
Oh shit.
Whatever he's doing, he's very pleased with himself. I said your seat.
I am having a good time. Yoo-hoo!
I am really enjoying myself.
Yoo-hoo! Who the fuck put the nut on this side? Whose man's? I don't care that you broke your elbow. I'm just gonna come out and say it. I don't care that you hit Evan's elbow. Oh, we over here with the Nutbuster 5000. Oh, you will. Oh, wouldn't be the first time. Eh. Oh, that worked perfect. Was it something I said?
Saying so.
Was it the roast?
No, I do actually have to go with my dad's. Then I will take the steering wheel. Don't you fucking take the steering wheel. It's worth more than your whole roll.
Oh! Whoa! Doubt.
How many miles wrong?
Oh shit.
It's been in a bad accident.
Something is
There's
not
still
right.
glass on the dashboard.
Something is not right here.
No, you don't. You can buy your own steering wheel. I need one. Yeah, you can go buy one.
Dude, you are getting roasted. Boom, roasted. Boom, roasted. You will, I've seen it happen. It's terrifying. On today's episode of Close Enough, I don't know why this side has a nut, like the bolt's the other way, but it's got this like weird collar thing. But hey, it still fits.
I always lock my door at the garage with an OCD thing.
Yeah, it's fucking stupid.
No, it's not. No, I can't.
Hey, does
unlock
one of
them
you
because
lovely
it's-
fellas want to go turn off the heater?
Why?
Because it's out of propane and it smells.
Eater McJeeters.
Yeah, but so do you, and I'm turning you off.
Whoa! You never turned me on in the first place.
Oh, I did.
Oh, roasted.
How do I shut this thing off?
Oh,
Turn the knob on the
roasted.
right, on the side. Turn it all the way
Evan's not
counterclockwise.
very good at
Turn
turning.
it off.
Turn the one on the right all the way counterclockwise.
Oh, that's temperature. That's what it says. Lower.
Yeah, that's the BTU.
That does you.
Cool.
Your steering wheel.
Cool. That's an iconic Evan noise. Only he makes that sound.
That guy died.
Yeah.
Tim uses the word stoked a lot.
Guys, I'm so stoked!
I watched like 10
Fucking
of your videos in a
stoked.
row, so I know that. I'm gonna keep track.
Oh, you're the woman that watches my videos.
What?
He scares the hell out of me because I'm afraid he's actually gonna hit me.
He has no coordination.
I have hand-eye coordination.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
No, you don't. That's a lie.
You ever seen me at Dave & Buster's? I fuck shit up.
There we go. Now it's centered. That's perfect.
That is
You hear that?
Sometimes I forget that I own another car.
Whoa, boy! Close call.
You ever feel like that?
What?
No, I own 3 cars, and I remember I own all 3.
Say it twice.
Yeah, sometimes I forget I have another car.
Josh
Dude, you
forgets-
have a Corolla and an MR2.
Josh
One of
forgets-
which is boring, one of which is cool.
Josh forgets that he has 2 other cars.
See,
because
you
he
have to have
never
two
drives
two
them.
cool cars. I have an RX-7 and a Z.
I've
Both of them
driven
have
my
engines that
240
have
more
problems.
than You've driven your MR2.
That is a lie. I
No,
drove
that's
800
false.
miles.
Oh shit!
I
Hey,
drove
hey,
with
hey,
you.
listen.
Ted.
It's a Ted. Goodbye, Ted. If you heard
I
that.
drove with you, so you didn't drive 800 miles.
What? I drove at least 700 of those 8. No,
Oh, yeah,
more than that.
are we gonna do that again? Dual caliper, bro!
What am I doing?
Okay. So now I'm just gonna throw the wheel back on, and then I'm going to
Coconut
cut off.
shrimp.
What else? What's wrong with you?
Jenny.
Interrupting Forrest Gump. And then I'm gonna cut the muffler out because Evan wants it for his MR2.
I do.
So, and then I'm gonna put probably just straight 3-inch with the resonator, and it's gonna be great. But I'm gonna throw the wheel on for now.
You're about to shit on his.
Just rip the old exhaust out because Josh, Evan's stealing my muffler. I have to start it up real quick though. We have to hear what a straight pipe 1J or like literally open downpipe 1J sounds like in a garage.
Do it.
Can you hold this?
Yeah, boy.
It's gonna be loud.
Nah. Good.
Oh.
You need to
I'm like,
turn
where are
your
my
car
keys?
on.
Huh?
Oh, I thought you were saying what were you doing?
What am I doing? I don't remember.
What am I doing right now? I forgot already.
I have a feeling it's gonna be either really loud or it's gonna sound really good. Probably both. Are we ready?
Ready. That's cool though.
Whoa! Man, 1J noises. That sounded so good. That's really loud.
You're gonna hear your turbo.
Huh?
You can hear your turbo like crazy.
Yeah, in the car, that shakes everything.
Everything.
So that'll do it for this one, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to keep following along with my RX7, Ted Z, my Z, Josh's shit, go check out his channel. Like, again, it'll be down below. But
Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
if you want to keep following along with our stuff, like I said, please subscribe and hit that little bell if you want to be notified. We'll see you guys next time.